Hi guys, so I'm walking my dog, go after, to around the block. First we're going to Dunkin' Donuts because I want to get an iced tea. And then, hey boy, hey, let me close this. Oscar, come. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm walking him. And I look a hot mess, I know. I just put my hair in a freaking ponytail and kept it going. We're going this way, buddy. Come on. Come on. So, yeah. So, this is me walking. Come on. So, yeah. So, I hope everyone saw my video about why I wear makeup, because I'm going to Dunkin' Donuts and I have makeup on. So if you don't want to watch the video because I have makeup on and I'm going to Dunkin' Donuts, then you need to come out the video. I mean, click the video, stop the video, and go to another video. Anyway, so I'm just walking to Dunkin'. Oh my god, it's so cold. I look so messy, but at least I have makeup on and I feel good. And you see I'm being cold. So everybody knows. Come on, Oscar. And here's my dog again, guys. You can see. I am walking him. Oscar, come on. We're going to walk. So anyway, people are like, this girl's crazy vlogging. Or whatever they think I'm doing. Come on. So come. Oscar, come on. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay. To lift him. See you later. Sir. Sir. Excuse me. What are we doing here? What are we doing, sir? Hey! Show your face. Show that face of yours. He's like, if you don't get that camera out my face, there's gonna be problems. So you're gonna turn your back on me? Huh? You're gonna turn your back on me? Oscar? He's scratching away, look at him. Look at him. Excuse me. Hey. He's like, if you don't get that camera out. Sir, you have your rent money? He's like, I don't have rent money. You're my owner. I don't need no rent money. Oscar. Sir. Sir. Do you have your rent money? Huh? Do you have your rent money? Look at his puppy eyes. He's like, I don't got no rent money. You're my owner. Hello. You gonna go to sleep? Good night. Oh, you gonna play sleep now because you're on camera? Huh? That's how you gonna do me? Okay, I'm gonna turn it off now because he wants to be funny and act like he's sleeping again. He's like, yep, I'm yawning. That means get the camera out my face. Good night. Ready, Oscar? Ah, you see, when I say ready, he is ready to run. You ready to go outside? Yeah? You ready to go? We're gonna turn his head. You ready to go outside? Look. He's knows where to go. Look, he's by the door. Ready to go side side? Huh? Ready? Go. Look, he's ready. Ready? Look him jump. Guys, ready? 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 Set. Come on, boy. Come on. Ready? Go. Come on. Where are we going? Oh, look at the bike. Hey. Quiet. Let me see if there's any mail. Woo, it's cold. It is cold out here, guys. It is cold. Oh. What are we gonna do out here? Come on. This way. Oscar, let's go. Oh, you're gonna fall. Come on. Come on. Okay, my guys.